Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the Dogecoin price in 2022. What is the price of Dogecoin in 2022? And this video I will show you on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of previous changes friends. So keep watching this video till the end friends. For more updates and news, please click the subscribe button friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel friends. Let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Dogecoin. After that we talk about the prices of coin. After that we decide that what's the price of Dogecoin in 2022 friends. Let's start the video friends. As you can see here, first of all we talk about the currently price. So 0.500212 USD dollar at this time price of the Dogecoin in a market. And if you look the prices occur in the Dogecoin, so the last 1 hour and the last 1 week, the changes is negative friends, except of these the last 1 week change as going positive friends. Let's see the price chart of the Dogecoin after the last 1 year friends. On the basis of last 1 year, we decided what's the next move of Dogecoin friends. As you can see here, a biggest jump occurred in the Dogecoin and the last month friends. As you can see here at this time friends, the biggest pump occurred in the Dogecoin, and Dogecoin take a very high jump very fastly. As you can see here in the March, the Dogecoin as a launch, but as you can see here today the price is approximately 0.60 USD dollar at this time price of the Dogecoin in a market. Absolutely they are very fastly moving upward friends. So what's the price of Dogecoin in 2022? Let's see. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day price change occurred in the Dogecoin. That is the last 1 year friends, and the change is about 24,731.12%. So friends, if this kind of price change continues throughout this year friends, so I hope in the start of 2022 the price of Dogecoin as I think my prediction is that they can easily hit 3 or 6 USD dollar is the price of Dogecoin in 2022 friends. 6 or 3 USD dollar are the price of the Dogecoin in the start of 2022, and in the last of 2022 I'm sure that they can hit approximately a 10 USD dollar friends in the last of 2022 friends. What's your prediction? That's my prediction. I'm not a financial advisor, and we can't say about the future of cryptocurrencies. Maybe they fall down friends, maybe the price becomes zero in the future, but that's only on the basis of the prices occur in the last 1 year friends. That's my prediction. What's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video friends.